if you were to explain multidimensional soul to a common person, how would you explain it?
So multidimensional. So I want you to imagine that you're a human being and you have all these colors coming out from your heart, like a spiral, like a wheel, with all these lines, lights coming out of you, and that's a multidimensional soul. So you are existing in many multi-dimensions, many star systems throughout consciousness, throughout the multiverse. You are existing. So you are existing in multi-dimensions. You are a multi-dimensional being, which means you're not just here on earth. You are everywhere. You are everywhere. You are everywhere. And that's why I love having images like this behind me, because you are this. You are everything. You are this. We have been condensed to a single point. We think we are just this, but we are multi-dimensional, which means we are existing in multi-dimensional dimensions. So imagine you with a wheel around you and all these lights coming in, out from you, 360 degrees. You are all of that, emanating and transmitting and experiencing yourself in many different vibrations, which is very beautiful.
Beautiful. What is holistic well-being according to you?
Holistic well-being is looking at yourself on a mind, body, heart, soul, spirit level. So on all levels, not just physical. And we've been used to wellness on a physical level, but wellness is never on a physical level. It's energetic, it's mental, it's emotional, it's physical, it's on all levels. So we have to look at the whole being, really. We have to get to the root causes of issues, and we have to get to the energetic level, because that's where trauma gets locked in. So holistic wellness is looking at the whole being, multidimensional you, not just the physical being. That's putting a plaster and putting a band-aid on the issue. It doesn't resolve the issue. It may in some cases, but really you've got to get to the root as a whole being and discover what that is for you. So wholeness, whole health is what I would say holistic wellness is. Yeah.
What is the ultimate purpose of life?
To be fully you. Authenticity, to be fully you here on earth, to express the fullness of you is really why we are here. We go on this journey of discovery and learning all these modalities and getting to know ourselves, but truly it's to come back to ourselves and the love that is in our heart and our divinity, and to know ourselves in our truest, purest form. And that truly is why we are here. Really why we are here. Yeah.
What is love?
What is love? Love is source. Love is you. Love is every cell in your body. Love is who we are. Love is our truth. And love is the vibration of just acceptance, radical acceptance of the purity and the divinity that vibrates through us. Love is heart consciousness. Love is acceptance. Love is compassion. Love is kindness. Love can be tough as well, to bring us back to our hearts. Love can be grief. Love is everything, and everything is you. Love is divinity in its purest form. Yeah. And that's what we're here to experience, the purest forms of love in a physical body.
That's
Yeah.
so beautiful. What is self-love?
Self-love. Oh my God, that's such an important lesson. Loving yourself the way Source loves you, loving yourself the way a mother loves you. If you had a good relationship with your mother, but loving yourself the way the earth loves you, loving yourself the way Source loves you, loving yourself the way your angels love you, loving yourself in your wholeness, in your completeness, with no judgment, no criticism of the self, but total acceptance, understanding, compassion, and unconditional love for self is self-love. And then when we get to that place, we become one with Source. There's no more separation. So self-love is the most important journey, and that we go on as a human being.
What's your parting message for our audience?
My parting message is to have compassion with yourself through this time, to breathe often, to connect with your heart, every day, to fill yourself up with Source love, and to know that you are worthy of the highest expression of love and receiving the highest vibrations of love. You are worthy. because you are divine and sovereign. And it's to remember that. So compassion with the self, kindness with the self, and non-judgment of the self through this time as you ride these waves to get back to your truest, highest, most authentic self source. And that's the message that I want to part with.
Wow, so beautiful. Is there any message that you have for me and the podcast or the talk show? Anything, any direction or anything from my son, the source?
To keep being authentically you, to show up as yourself, not to look over your shoulder at other podcasters, but to bring your own uniqueness and your own gifts to the energy of this podcast, because the podcast has its own energy and it will attract its own vibrations and own soul tribe. So it's to trust that, to grow authentically, to be patient with yourself. And Rome was not built in a day, so to take each step, and at each step there's lessons and growth and to expansion. So to enjoy the journey of the growth of this podcast and not to put so much pressure on yourself, but to create from a space of joy, really to create from a space of joy so it can expand and grow authentically. So that is the message for you in your podcast. And also that your son is with you. He's here. He's always with you. He's showing you to new realms and dimensions. He's helping you to expand your vision and your consciousness through this time. He's going to show you so much through your lens, and what you believed is going to be shifting fast through this time. So just remember he's with you, to stay connected with him. He comes into your dreams. He's always connecting with your heart. The moment you put your hands on your heart and you take a breath, when you feel that level or that moment of separation or grief, to feel him here in your heart, and you'll hear him say, "I'm here, Mom. I'm with you. I've never left. I'm here." He's just working more cosmically in other realms with other beings of higher consciousness, which is beautiful. So, yeah.
Thank you.
He's with you.